A supplier or vendor is a business partner which delivers and sells goods and services to your organization. A business partner can be a supplier and a customer at the same time. If, for example, your supplier also buys goods from you, a supplier master holds information about the supplier such as their name, address, bank details, tax details, and billing performances. This supplier information is used and stored in transactions such as purchase orders, goods receipts, and supplier invoice. Some supplier information is specific to a particular company, known as company code, or purchasing unit, known as purchasing organization, within your organization. Business partner grouping. Business partner grouping determine the number ranges for the business partner IDs. You cannot change the assignment or IDs afterwards. If a business partner grouping is assigned to an internal number range, you cannot enter the business partner ID manually. In this case, leave the field blank as the system automatically chooses a number from the assigned numeric number range. The following business partner grouping and corresponding number ranges are defined for business partners, customers, suppliers, contacts, employees, and so on. BP02. If no business partner group is entered, this number range is used per default. BPAB. This range must start with a character. BPEE. Reserved for business partners used as employees. Log on to the SAP Fury Launchpad as a master data specialist. Business partner data. Open Maintain Business Partner BP. Choose Organization. Make the following entries and choose OK. Business Partner D0006. Grouping. Select, for example, BP AB, external alphanumeric numbering. The create in BP role filed by the system with the business partner role. Keep this setting. On the address tab, in the name section, enter the following data. Title, company, name, Microsoft LLP. On the address tab, in the search term section, enter one or more search terms for the supplier, for example, TS. In the standard address section, in the street address subsection, enter the following address. In the street address section, choose more and enter the following data. Building code 10, room 3, floor 5, street 2, Madhapur, street 3, High Tech City Road, street Patrika Nagar, house number 10. City, Hyderabad. Postal code 5,59,000. Country IN India. Region TS Telangana. On the address tab in the communication section, enter the following data. Language English. Telephone number 9 all zeros. Mobile 9 all zeros. email publiccloudsap@gmail.com. On the Identification tab in the Organizational Data section, enter the following data for the supplier. Legal form 08 Company Limited. On the Identification tab in the Industry section, choose all industry systems, enter the following data. Industry system, Industry 63 software, Standard Industry not selected, plus enter for confirmation. On the Identification tab in the Tax Number section, enter the following data. Aadhaar, one two three four 1234 1234. It must be a 12-digit number. CIN L01 631 KA 2010 PT C0 96843. It must be 21-digit alphanumeric code. PAN number ABCTY 1234D. It must be 12-digit alphanumeric code. GST tax number is required. This information is required for GST returns. Category IN3. Tax number 37 AAA CC 1206D 2ZE. On the Payment Transaction tab in the Bank Details section, enter the following data for the supplier. Bank details will be useful to make payments to the supplier. Country, region, India. IN. Bank key HDFC 000062. Bank account 12655535355. Caution: bank keys must be defined beforehand. Use the value help for more information on allowed entries in this field. Save your entries. Creating supplier master data. Company code data. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as a master data specialist. Business partner data. Open Maintain Business Partner BP. Choose Switch between display and change F6 to switch to change mode. In the change in BP role field, choose the following value. Supplier, financial accounting. Note, the technical key of this business partner role is FLVN00. Choose company code on the screen. Enter the company code, for example, 1810. On the Vendor Account Management tab, In the account management section, enter the following data. Reconciliation account 211,000,000. Payables domestic. Sort key 012. Vendor number. On the vendor account management tab, in the withholding tax section, enter the following data. If this supplier is relevant to withholding tax, W tax CR key 001 India. On the vendor withholding tax tab, in the withholding tax type section, make the following entries. Assign the withholding tax type C0 194C and withholding tax code C0 194C. Contractors, others, invoice and withholding tax type C5 194C and withholding tax code C5 194C. Contractors, others, payment information to business partner. Enter exemption reason DT. Exemption percentage, for example 100. Exemption number 123. Valid range for the withholding tax codes that are relevant to double taxation treaty or double transaction agreement. On the vendor payment transaction tab, in the payment data section, make the following entries. Terms of payment 0001. Pay immediately without deduction. The terms of payment defined in this step can be overruled by the terms of payment defined on the purchasing level. On the vendor payment transaction tab, in the automatic payment transaction center section, enter the following data. Payment methods: T. Bank transfer, house bank, INB K1. Note: press F4 to open the section in the field payment methods. On the vendor correspondence tab, in the correspondence section, enter the following data. Account with vendor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose general data. On the country specific enhancements tab, make the following entries. PAN, ABC, TY 1234D. It must be 10-digit alphanumeric code. Save your entries. Purchasing data. Log on to the SAP Fury Launchpad as a Master Data Specialist, Business Partner Data. Open Maintain Business Partner BP. Choose Switch between Display and Change F6 to switch to Change mode. In the change in BP role field, choose the following value: supplier. Note, the technical key of this business partner role is FLVN01. Choose purchasing on the screen. Enter the following data and press enter. Purchasing organization 1810. On the purchasing data tab in the conditions section, enter the following data: order currency INR, terms of payment 0001, payable immediately due net. On the purchasing data tab in the control data section, enter the following data: shipping conditions 01, standard, GR, based invoice verification, select. On the purchasing data tab in the default values for material section, enter the following data: purchasing group 001, group 001, planned delivery time 1 day. On the partner functions tab in the partner functions section, verify that the LF entry or the VN entry when the logon language is English exists. Save your entries.